This is Innoson G20 Smart, and it's converted. You can see
to CNG.
it's CNG.
No,
this
is just the installation.
Okay, the installation of the CNG. Okay, so like 100%, everything is
100%
made in Nigeria.
Yes. Okay, Innoson have history here. G60 turbo IVM.
I learned that Innoson produces electric cars too. Is that true?
My vehicle now have CNG, LNG, fuel, ordinary gas, and also electric. It depends on what you want.
If any of the doors is open, slightly open, it's not going to move.
Okay.
Once you try
safety
exactly
technology.
one of the safety technology.
Yeah.
Once you try to move, it will automatically go back to park.
When you come to luxury, when you talk about luxury, we have luxurious cars.
But you are aware. We are aware. You are aware. We are aware. Are you not aware? We are aware. Are you not aware? We know. Are you not aware? We know. Are you not aware? We know. What other saying it today one? Have we not said it? We have said it. Have we not said it? We have said it.
Hello everybody, welcome to Video Math TV. Today we are in Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company.
I'm Honorable M.N. Obama. I'm the Chief Legal Officer of Innoson Group of Company and also the Human Resource Manager of the company. What
actually does Innoson do?
We produce cars and we produce every kind of vehicle.
Yes.
Like you can see, this is our bullion van. This
is it bulletproof?
It's bulletproof. This is meant for CBN.
Come and see the back. And it's bulletproof like
It's bulletproof. It's still under construction. G60 turbo IVM.
Is it electric?
No, it's not electric. It's still petrol. It's turbo engine. That means it consumes less petrol.
More like hybrid?
More like hybrid. Okay. So you can come and see the model.
Is this a V6 engine?
Yes, it's V6 engine.
Android screen there.
Yes.
A whole lot of steering controls.
This is what you should drive. A luxurious G60 turbo IVM. It doesn't only come in black.
Yes.
We have also the ash or the golden color.
Innoson also have cars that are powered by compressed natural gas. That's the CNG. So tell us more about it.
What does it do? It comes in to replace the consumption of petrol.
Yeah.
You find out with the removal of first subsidy, we now have vehicles that run per liter is 500 now.
Yeah.
But with the CNG, you can, if you have the CNG tank installed in your vehicle, you can use 1 liter of petrol for a whole day or even two days. But
you have to switch between the CNG and
you have to switch. No, it switch itself. It's automatic.
It's automatic.
Itself.
Oh, really?
Once you fill in gas, it makes use of the fuel and makes use of the gas. This is Innoson fire truck.
Fire service truck.
Yeah, fire service truck.
Okay.
And you can see
this one, can it be powered with CNG as well? I
know it consumes petrol.
Yeah.
But if you want to convert it, you can as well.
It can still be. Yeah, it's convertible.
It's convertible. You can still convert it to CNG.
Yeah.
I have already converted my car since the first subsidy removal.
Yeah.
You find out that it becomes more expensive for you to drive a petrol vehicle in Nigeria.
Yeah.
The petrol price have gone up. All these buses, you can use natural gas.
This is Innoson G20 Smart, and it's converted. You can see
to CNG.
It's CNG,
and it still has the normal engine.
Yes, have normal petrol.
So you can switch.
You can switch. Yes.
Then this can power this vehicle and start moving the vehicle.
Yes.
Does it have sound like normal engine sound or something?
Of course. It has normal engine sound, same as.
For real?
You didn't even know it was on before, right?
I don't know.
But because of the cleaner engine,
the
cleaner energy, because of the cleaner energy, you have more clean system.
Sound. No, it doesn't make noise,
and it's noiseless. It's on now, as you can see now, it's on.
Okay, okay. This is the filling point. That means I don't need to pull that gas out. Just fill it from here. Okay.
And you can see it's on.
Control the switch between the CNG and the fuel.
Wow. This is great. Powered by CNG, compressed natural gas.
But the truth is that you can even do this for any of your cars when you bring it to Innoson.
So you can switch any car at all.
Of course.
You can bring your cars that are.
This is the engineer who will do it for you.
That is powered by petrol and switch it into CNG, compressed natural gas.
So start bringing in your cars and start switching.
So you
Because
can
I've
bring your
already done
cars,
mine.
all those your Mazdas, your Corolla, your Camry, and switch the car into CNG.
Or buy
And they will do it
Innoson.
right here, right?
Yes, we'll do it right here. This is Innoson's truck.
What kind of truck is this?
It's a normal truck, petrol truck.
So everything is like 100% manufactured here.
Yes, this is manufactured in Nigeria, made in Nigeria. We have the molding machines and all the details.
So like 100%,
This
everything
is
is
100%
made in Nigeria.
Yes.
So what are they doing here? Let's see here.
This is painting session. This is the major of the major.
That's the flagship. Yeah.
This is the powerhouse. This is G80.
G80.
Yes, G80.
Innoson G80.
Innoson G80.
What kind of engine does it have?
V6.
V6 engine.
We can also make it armored if you want.
It can be armored if you want.
This is being used by Governor Soludo. He has 2 of these.
Is armored, okay.
Governor of Anambra State has this kind of car, but he is armored. So don't go try this at home. Don't go try shooting at him, because by the time you finish your bullet, you will be crossed on the road.
Okay, let's see the interior.
This is the G80. This is our flagship. As you can see, we don't have the normal gear lever that you see in normal vehicles. If any of the doors is open, slightly open, it's not going to move.
Okay,
once you
that's
try
safety
exactly,
technology.
one of the safety technology.
Yeah.
Once you try to move, it will automatically go back to park.
Okay.
So all your doors must be locked before it.
And it has reverse camera, everything.
It even has a front camera.
It has front camera
Yes.
and also reverse camera.
Yes. And then there's your memory seat.
Memory seat.
Yes, depending on where you set the seat.
Okay.
If somebody that is taller,
Okay, I can remember all the
yes,
settings
exactly,
and yeah,
exactly,
I can switch.
Exactly, and you can
Capture
see
him,
this
capture
as well. The mirror has a back camera, reverse camera as well.
Okay. Okay.
And the sunroof. This is the drive. It went back to park.
Okay, because the
Automatically
doors
by
are
itself.
open.
Because the doors are open. And it doesn't even have to be open like this, even if it's just slightly open.
Yes, yeah.
Like, even if it's just slightly open like this. Right. You can see the back, very comfortable. Have your leather seats, your premium leather seats. The air conditioned vents are also here, so that your guy at the back will not be feeling
Okay.
enough space at the back.
Enough cargo space.
Enough cargo space.
Are you not aware? Are you not aware? Are you not aware?
So Innoson produces city buses
Yes,
like
this
this.
is Innoson City Bus.
Okay.
And this city bus is CNG.
CNG.
Yes. CNG it uses gas.
It uses gas. So these are the same gas they use for cooking.
This is compressed natural gas. They fill it up.
Yeah. And it powers the injector.
Yes, yes. It's a two-way something. We have the diesel is in it, and then this one is in it. So when you switch it up, depending on the one you switch up.
Okay, you can still use the normal engine of the
Yes,
car.
you can use it. You can still use the normal diesel to power the vehicle.
And also
normal diesel that
CNG.
Yes, and also
Compressed natural gas.
compressed natural gas. The beauty of this one is that it doesn't consume as much as your normal petrol.
Okay.
You get, so that's the advantage of this one. This one is much more cost effective.
Okay.
In terms of fuel consumption.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Yes, and there's another one they are bringing, a small car.
Okay.
Yes.
So come on guys, let's see the interior of the bus. This very bus is about 50-something seaters, and it also has cameras, it has a fan, and you can switch between using the compressed natural gas and also normal diesel engine or fuel engine. AC, everything is working perfectly well. We have like about 5 cameras here. You see?
You can see the cylinders, and these are the kits. And this is the installation process.
This is where everything happens. This is where you control the filling valve and the control valve. You know, each vehicle has 8 cylinders.
8 cylinders.
Yeah, this one is about 67.3 kg by weight and 60 liters by content.
So how long does it last?
Depending on the users, you know, all of them are connected by like together.
Yes, okay. Like how
so
many is fitted into a single bus?
Okay, for this bus, this one is 4. This other one, this longer one, this one about this. Yes, this is the longer one.
So the same CNGs.
Yeah, the same. Yeah, the same CNG. It has the same pressure rating.
Okay.
20 MPa.
Yeah.
But in bar, it's about 200 bars.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is where the city buses are being produced, manufactured?
No.
This is just the installation.
Okay, the installation of the CNG. Okay.
Okay, Innoson have history here. And this is our very first SUV. And this is the G5.
G5. This one, is it compressed
No, it's
natural
not
gas
compressed
as well?
natural gas.
Okay.
It's petrol.
Okay.
It's just petrol.
What kind of engine does it have? Can we see? This is the first Innoson vehicle.
This is among the first. Our first SUV.
Okay. These are 4 plugs.
Yes.
It's 4 plugs.
Okay. Can you show us the interior?
So this car is about 10 years old, but if you look around, you can see that the vehicle has still retained its quality over time. It's one of our very first SUVs. At Innoson, you are very assured of quality.
Yeah.
It's almost 10 years.
10
and you
years.
can see the leather seats.
Everything is still intact.
Exactly. As you can see, there's enough space at the back.
Fine.
Like I mentioned earlier, the quality has still been retained over time. Multitude of cargo space. This is the Innoson G5.
This is the finishing sector, where all the seats, everything is being installed, all the electronics is being installed in the vehicle.
This is Innoson ambulance, bus ambulance.
Okay.
And after that, I will take you to the fire truck. And this is what it looks like lying inside one of these.
Okay.
You can see, come over. You can see this one.
Yeah, okay.
And this is Innoson 17-seater. Still on production. Still on production. Shuttle for cargo.
CNG
Shuttle bus
too?
for cargo. No.
Not CNG. Okay,
Petrol.
petrol. Okay.
Okay. You know, when you see Nigeria police, you see Ikenga.
Yeah.
That means at their back, at their tail end, they're after you.
Nigerian police use this one. Okay.
It's very fast.
The G80 or what? G5T.
If you hear the siren, wait, a police is coming. Check out for this. You know this will
That's
be
the
at your tail.
Ikenga.
And if you try to run away, he will show you the reason why the name is Ikenga. And this is Innoson shuttle bus. You can come and see the inside. Fresh dashboard. Fresh seats.
Sound like 5-seaters.
7-seater can be converted to a 10-seater as well.
Okay.
For small school.
Yeah.
The schools in Anambra State makes use of this. And other commercial purpose. G5T. The most sexiest car in the company. Why do I call it sexiest car? Because it's meant for sexiest ladies. If you like to drive in style.
Give it to the brother Nigeria.
Okay, this one.
So this car is the sexiest car.
So what kind of engine does it have? G5T.
See, 4-cylinder.
4-cylinder. Okay. Okay.
It's turbo.
Okay. So the CNG is optional.
It's optional.
Okay.
It's optional.
This is G20 Smart, but this is petrol. Unlike the former one you have seen before, the white one. It's very fuel economical. You can see have enough room. Enough room like an MPV, and it's an MPV.
There are some people I know that want to use Innoson vehicles, right? So, but the problem, some of them say, we don't have the mechanic. So if your consumers buys Innoson and it develops issues, so where do they go to?
First of all, we have maintenance workshop in Port Harcourt.
Yeah.
We have maintenance workshop in Nnewi, service center in Lagos. We have service center in Enugu.
Yeah.
But if you do not want to service in our centers, any other person can do this vehicle. Once the person is a technical person.
Like normal roadside mechanic can actually fix.
Yes, because most of them come with the same engine. Toyota engine, Mitsubishi engine, and you find out that no normal road mechanic can still do it. So anybody who is telling you that You cannot repair Innoson's vehicle at the roadside. It's telling you lies, because nobody can produce that kind of technology, and the Standard Organization of Nigeria will allow such vehicle to be used.
Yeah. What about people that wants to buy Innoson? Do they come here, or do you have dealership all over Nigeria? Where do they get Innoson cars?
Yes, we have showrooms all over Nigeria. We have showroom in Enugu, we have showroom in Lagos, we have showroom in Nnewi, we have showroom in Port Harcourt. And you can as well call the number you see on the screen. Our sales manager, or you call me
For inquiries and
anything if you want to get any of our cars.
Tell us about the durability of Innoson vehicles.
Yes,
how durable are Innoson vehicles?
I've been using Innoson vehicle for the past 4 years, and I think I have only one oil change.
Tell us the one you're using.
I'm using G5.
Okay.
The former one and the blue one. Just like my own color is black.
Is it converted to CNG?
Yes,
the one you're using?
Yes, it's converted.
Wow. You said you had only one oil change?
I have only one oil change. I used it for 4 years, and I have only one time oil change. My second oil change will be in the middle of July.
So why does it take long to change oil in Innoson vehicle?
Because it's a new brand engine.
Okay, brand new. Okay, engine.
It's a new brand engine.
Okay. So if you want to make inquiries, want to buy or fix your Innoson car, his number is on the screen. Thank you.
My phone number is 080-674-33241. For those outside Nigeria, +234-80-674-33241.
Well.
Okay, let's maybe